Now log into aistudio.google.com website. From the left side menu, go to Dashboard and here go to API keys. And from the top right, click Create API key. Here you can rename this Gemini API key name. Now we need to create a project. Click this drop down. Here we have two options. You can import a project or you can create a new project. Click Create Project. Here give the project name. Now click the Create Project button. Now click the Create Key button. Now the API key is created. Click this Copy Key button. Now go to your program and paste the key here. So this is our program. So here we need to enter the Wi-Fi username and password and then enter the API key which we created. And here we need to enter the Gemini version. So here we are using Gemini 2.5. Now we can upload the program. For that, connect the ESP32 board to your laptop. Now go to this drop down. Here you can see the port is already displayed. Click on the port and search for the board. We are using ESP32 Dev module. So search for ESP32 Dev module. Select the board. Click OK. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now we can check the output. Now the API key is created. So if you click this icon, you can see the usage. So here we can see the total API request and here we can see if there is any error.